at this given point, are we learning about any any particular message that was sent out right before the protests about a call for a peaceful protest, or was it supposed to be this enraged, the kind of frustration we are seeing currently? Was there a situation where the initial protest or the revolution, Gen Z revolution that was called for, was actually supposed to be peaceful?
Yeah, it was supposed to be peaceful, but it was definitely the government definitely need to be prepared for the, because this is protest, and there's just like war, you cannot say like how the protest will develop when the situation gets aggravated.
Absolutely. I think that's a very pertinent point you've raised here, that in situations like this, you never know where it goes. And from the visuals that we are seeing, barricades have been breached. We can see the anger, all the youngsters running across the streets. At this given point, there's also a conversation about the protests being against corruption, not just the social media
Yeah,
ban, but
yeah.
also against the government in
Yeah,
general.
actually, it is not just the corruption. Yeah, actually, it is not just the corruption, but the main theme of the protest, not the main theme of the protest is this Gen Z group are coming together to voice their dissent against growing corruption and nepotism in the country, and it is also
Right.
like mm,
Please continue.
yeah,
Yes, yes, you were telling us it is
yeah.
also about.
And this is also about that. Yeah, and the recent announcement of this ban must have further intensified the situation.
Oftentimes what happens, Shanji, but times like these protests start as a revolution. They're supposed to be peaceful protests. They get out of hand very quickly. The situation becomes extremely critical, and we have seen this in the past. I'm not saying this Gen Z protest has the capacity to do that or the potential to do that, but we have seen how protests and prolonged protests, violent protests, end up turning out in the subcontinent itself, and especially when there's a discontentment against the ruling dispensation. So at this given point, the situation seems grim. What would
Yeah.
you have to say about that?
Yeah, like even from, if I have to say it from my personal opinion, like it was like, as I was following all these news, and then that's about this protest, and even I heard like some of the people in my knowings were also joining this protest, even if they do not belong to that generation. But yeah, this protest is really posing a serious threat to the government. Yeah, if it gets out of control in this way, and so this should not be it should not be taken for granted. Even like in the past few days, the social media ban. Uh, this social has also made these young
Right.
people express their anger at this. There's this term, they were using this term, that nepo kids, like who are the children of prominent politicians,
Right.
who
They
owe
are being
their like
attacked at this given
yeah.
point. Shanjib, I'll come back to you too, and I'll let you finish that thought. Right now, we also have with us Bibek Tripathi from the Nepal Communist Party. Mr. Tripathi, thank you for speaking to us on India Today. The situation, as we have been reiterating, and the visuals speak for itself right now, it is nothing less than alarming. We are given to understand that these protesters have also reached the gates of the parliament. Take us through the government stance at this given point, and your party's stance on this very issue at this given point. Mr. Tripathi, can you hear us?
Hello. I didn't
Hello,
I didn't listen
Mr.
properly. Please
Yes,
again.
Miss. Yes, I will repeat my question, but can you hear us at this point?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. So, firstly,
Yes,
your
please.
party's stance on this protest, the situation slowly intensifying into, like, going from bad to worse at this given point, one would say.
Sorry, I can't listen properly. I'm in disturbing area right now. So please, once again, can you brief
Sure.
about this?
Sure,
Your
sure,
question?
sure,
Yeah.
sure. Mr. Tripathi, my question is your party's stance on the current situation. There is disturbance. Tell us
Yeah.
what your party's stance is on the very situation.
Yeah, this Gen Z generation organized this movement, this protest, and we are right now. There is some kind of person going to involving and negative. They have negative initiation and they get negative position. So they go to there and they are making violence, right? So it's not fear.
That is your stance at this given point. That is the party's stance, as you are saying. Yes, this is the situation, viewers. Thank you, Vivek Tripathi, for joining us on India Today. Well, viewers, you can see the visuals, and at this point, the visuals speak for themselves. So we will leave you with them. The situation definitely seems to be concerning and alarming, having gone from bad to worse. Police action also, in fact, being intensified to tackle the protesters at this point. What was supposed to be, from what we are hearing, a peaceful protest by Gen Z members, a peaceful Gen Z revolution, has indeed blown up to a much more violent sort of a situation. It seems to have gotten out of hand. There are several narratives coming in. No confirmation yet with regards to whether there are certain vested groups involved in the protests as well at this point.